that is called in Hindi is Varnamala. Called Varnamala. And this is a consonant. We have letters, and I am going to call it as Varna. So now we are on our board. So before learning Hindi, you should know some things. Is like we have alphabet in English. Okay, so what we call in Hindi alphabet is called in Hindi is Varnamala. Varnamala. Just like alphabet, we have letters. Yes, we have letters. And what we call this? Varna. So just like English, same. These called letters, these called alphabet, and the group of letters which is called alphabet, group of letters called alphabet, same group of word called Varnamala. So I hope you are getting my point. Now let's start. So just like English, we have letters, and I am going to call it as Varna. Since we are learning Hindi, so we are going to use both of the words. So just like the English, we have two letters, two kind of letters is like vowel and consonant, right? So we have 5 vowels and rest of 21 is consonant. So same things happen with Hindi, but we have a different numbers of letters in Hindi. Just like alphabet, we call this alphabet, we call this vowels, and we call this consonant. This is a vowel and this is a consonant, just for your information. So just like English, we have 5 vowels and 21 consonant, but in Hindi we have 11 swar. This one is one swar one. Second one is vyanjan and one. First of all, we have total 52 Varnamala, means 52 alphabets, just for the information. So we have total 52 and 11 is swar and the rest of 1 is vyanjan, which is 41. So now you got bit of like introduction about Hindi, how many letters we have in Hindi and how total and all the vowels and consonants. So as we are going to learn Swarnavara, we are going to learn vowels in our next class. Thank you. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like, subscribe and hype the channel.